Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Today I am going to show you the ultimate Uttaraksha. Ultimate Uttaraksha with blessings of Lord Shiva. It's a 1 round Nepal Uttaraksha with one line and one seat inside. What the special ultimate in this Uttaraksha is, you can see the Uttaraksha. It is a natural Uttaraksha. You can see the Uttaraksha with your naked eye. You can see that one seed inside with your eye. And this Uttaraksha is amazing image of Gomada prayer with three Murti gods. Such a wonderful, amazing Uttaraksha I am going to show. It is a Uttaraksha. It's a 1 round Nepal Uttaraksha with one line and one seed inside. You can see the seed inside this Uttaraksha. Okay. This is a top view, top hole, and this is a bottom hole, and this is a one line. You can see it's a clear one line. You can see there is no any other line. Here side you can see it's a naturally hole. Actually inside one seed you can see here. I will show that one. Yeah. You see inside seed you can see that one. I'll make it clear. See inside you can see the seed. See? You can see the inside seed. It's a ultimate. See, it's a ultimate. See a seed. You can see that seed. What ultimate Uttaraksha is. And you can also hear the sound of that seed. You can see the seed going in and out. It is natural. It is not a man-made. It is a natural. See, you can see the seed. See, now you can see the seed. What ultimate miracle piece it is. Now see, it's a natural hole. I will show the natural hole. See, it's a natural hole. You can hear the sound of the seed. See, you can clearly hear the sound of seed. See what amazing piece of collection of it is. It really only with the blessings of Lord Shiva. See how clear the sound of the seed. So it is a ultimate. It's a ultimate 1 round Uttaraksha with one line and one seed inside, and this Uttaraksha having the very clear image of Gomada. I'll show clearly. I clearly show close up. You can see the Gomada and prayers done to Gomada. I will show the close up image of that one. And it is a X-ray taken, studied by taking many X-rays and come to conclusion that it is a real 1 round Nepal Uttaraksha with one line and one seed inside. What amazing piece of collection! It's an amazing piece of collection it is. is X-ray. Many research done on this one and confirm this is a Onmukhi round Nepal Rudraksha. I will show the close-up view of this Rudraksha. X-ray also close-up. This is X-ray of this Rudraksha. You can see this is a gap here. In this only the seed is loose inside this gap. Yeah. This is a X-ray of this Rudraksha. X-ray of this Rudraksha. High comparison, extreme study done on it. So now I will show the close-up view of this Rudraksha. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So I explained detailedly about this Rudraksha. Now I am showing a very, very close-up view. Here, clear one line, clear one line. No, here clear one line. Top view, bottom view, top view, bottom view, clear one line. Yeah, you can see the naturally see the seed inside. You can see naturally seed inside. See, you can see a naturally moving seed inside. It's a what amazing. You are seeing the seed inside the Rudraksha. It is a natural. It is natural. It can also be taken as Lord Shiva third eye of Lord Shiva. See, you can see clearly see the seed inside. And Rudraksha, see, you can see a clear image of Gomada and pujas done to Gomada. See, pujas done to Gomada. You can see the top like Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva as a shown like the picture. What amazing miracle this it is. This Rudraksha is a mysterious Rudraksha. The clear image of Gomada and pujas done to Gomada. And Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva in top as same shown in the picture. It's amazing, amazing. And here is X-ray. When compared to all others, all are Onmukhi round with multiple seeds. This is Onmukhi round with one seed and one length, which I have shown now. Here you can see the seed inside which you can see the shaking seed inside. So bottom clearly one seed inside, and seed also you can see the seed. That is mysterious and miracle. All by Lord Shiva. It's amazing Rudraksha. So after deep analysis only I come to that it is a clear Onmukhi round Nepal Rudraksha with one seed inside. You can see the seed inside. amazing Uttaraksha, amazing Uttaraksha. Yeah, very clear Gomada Puja, see very clear cow image and Puja center to Gomada, top Lord Shiva Brahma Vishnu Shiva. See very clear cow Gomada and Puja center to Gomada. What amazing image it is, amazing. Uttaraksha, totally amazing, mind-blowing Uttaraksha. Beautiful Uttaraksha. Never ever I can like this Uttaraksha. See, you can see the seed. Now it will go inside. See? You can see the seed inside. It is natural. It is natural. It is clearly you can see the seed inside. How it is shaking. It's a side. It's a top view. It's a bottom view and top view. And inside seed. Amazing Uttaraksha. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.